Hello and welcome to the 8th part of the Divine Wiki tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to retarget animations for League of Legends mods. In this video, we'll be using an animation from Fortnite as an example, specifically a dance animation we want to apply to Viego. You can use Fortnite animations for educational purposes like this, but please note, all rights to Fortnite and its assets belong to Epic Games. This tutorial is for non-commercial, educational use only, and no content is being redistributed. If you don't want to use Fortnite, that's totally fine. You can also use animations from other League champions. The same retargeting process applies. Step 1. Import the base League model. First, import the .skin and .skl files for your League champion, in this case, Viego, into Maya. Select all bones in the mesh, and then click the T icon in the LOL Maya shelf. This adds a namespace, which prevents bugs if you later import a skeleton with the same bone names. Step 2. Import the animation source model. Now import the model and animation you want to retarget from, typically an FBX, SKN, or SKL. Once imported, clean the bones of the new model by deleting unnecessary parts. If the imported model isn't in bind pose, try selecting the mesh and choosing Go to bind pose. It's important that both skeletons, your League model and the animation source, are in the same pose. If they're not, adjust the League skeleton to match the pose of the imported one. Step 3. Set up Human IK. Go to Windows greater than Animation Editors greater than Human IK. Click Create Character Definition. You'll now see a human shape diagram. Fill out each corresponding bone slot with your League character's bones. Very important. In League skeletons, the root bone is used instead of the traditional hip bone. So in the Human IK definition, replace the hips with the root bone. Once done, pose your character into the same pose as the model you imported. This is very important, otherwise animations could break during baking. Click the lock icon to finalize the character rig. Step 4. Set up the second skeleton. Click the plus icon and repeat the process for the second skeleton, the one you're retargeting from. In this case, use the actual hip bone, since it's not a League skeleton. You can also adjust the bone size by going to Display, then Animation, and then Joint Size. Once finished, import the animation file if it isn't already applied. Step 5. Retarget and bake. Now go back to Character 1 and select Character 2 as the source. The animation will now be applied to your League skeleton. To finalize it, click the blue Human IK icon, then select Bake, then Bake to Skeleton. The animation is now baked onto your model. Step 6. Final fixes and export. You can now delete the imported animation model. If your League character is floating or misplaced, open the graph editor, select the root bone, go to the translate curves, and move it up or down until it looks correct. Once it's positioned correctly, select all your bones again and click on the T symbol with the trash can to delete the namespaces. After that, click on the Export Animation icon in the LOL Maya shelf and export the animation as a .anm file. Give it the exact same name as the animation you're replacing in the League Animations folder. That's it. Thanks for watching the 8th tutorial of the Divine Wiki tutorial series.